All right, Garrett, what are we doing today?
Dude, we doing a lot of stuff.
All right, so Garrett's gonna try and fly with me for a little bit. I got on this load because I'm just doing a solo wingsuit. And so what we're gonna try and do is I'm gonna get out the plane and then Garrett's gonna go like abbreviated. And then I'm gonna take like a turn and he's gonna try and come up and pull up right next to me. So he says that he can do it, or he can see us when we go. You think it's gonna work?
I don't know, dude. I think it is.
Either it works or we create like 500 of me.
Yeah,
Evan salad, bro, let's go. So I'm getting ready to go. Garrett, what are you doing?
I'm a wingsuit, bro.
Guys, he's been hanging around Jacob and Daniela way too much. All right, so yeah, I don't know. I mean, this probably shouldn't work, but we're just gonna try and see how close we can get, and yeah, we'll see if it works. Have some fun with it. So we got some safety stuff here. If at any time he doesn't see me, he's pulling up, right? Because I can't do that, so there has been safety talks. We're not just going and hucking it. All right, well, we'll see what happens with this. Good luck to both of us. Supposedly Daniela and Jacob are at the end of the runway. I don't know if you can see them. I forgot that you weren't moving. Usually people move out of the way.
Nah, I trust you.
Yeah, you shouldn't.
But I was able to see the plane.
Yeah.
I saw you get out of the plane.
Yeah.
And then I got a photo of him diving. I don't know how clear it's gonna be.
Sick.
But I could see it.
Yeah, it kind of worked. I think that he kind of went below me, but then he didn't. I don't know. It was kind of weird. Sorry guys, forgot to turn on my camera for landing. You know, it happens. Oh, look at this dude right here. What up, Garrett? Oh, that's sick.
We back on the ground. Didn't go as planned. Everybody's safe though. They all landed over there. We're gonna go figure out, talk about what happened, see what we can do better. So we'll try it again.
Bro, it kind of worked, and then it didn't work, and then it was kind of working, and then it kind of didn't.
It was all over the place, dude.
No, that's all good. That's what we figured out.
Dude, so I did my 2 banks,
Yeah.
and then I saw you going this way, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait a little bit. I was flying past you, so you were like flying this way, and I was going over you.
And then we smacked a lip. Whoop-ah! Just get so pitted, bro.
Yeah.
It's okay. It was a good try. We'll try it again.
Yeah.
Stoke was high.
Get in it.
Guys, let's talk about my back flying though. I'm kind of getting there, guys, and I'm actually really excited about this because I've been wanting to back fly for a while, because ultimately back flying and then taking it steeper starts getting me to head down so that I can fly around belly nerds like this.
That's me. I'm the belly.
Anyways, thanks for watching. This is probably gonna be like 3 minutes, but you know. Thanks, Garrett. We'll try it.
We'll try again.
But we need a signature sign off.
We'll work on that too.
Okay.